Hello everyone, welcome back to that Cyber Guy. So today we are going to try to scan a domain name using Nikto. So we've discussed Nikto, like how to scan web servers, IP addresses. So today we're gonna just go ahead and just scan a domain name. So what is a domain name? A domain name is a name that is like available or readable to you. For example, as you can see here, let me just close one of these. There we go. As you can see here, I have the domain name for the DVWA. So it's an IP address, but even google.com is IP addresses. So the reason why you see it's a google.com is because this allows you to just remember the domain name instead of a bunch of numbers. So now what we're gonna do, if you are new to Nikto, you can just type Nikto-H, so you can just go ahead and see all the cool thing that you can do with Nikto. Alright, before we get started, I wanna share this with you. According to Google Analytics, 99% of users, watchers, they don't subscribe. So yeah, I wouldn't want you to just miss this opportunity. Cybersecurity is very expensive and we bring it to you for free. Make sure that you like, subscribe to stay up to date with the latest cybersecurity trend, news, and knowledge. Thank you. Please remember that it's very important if you're scanning website or anything that you have permission to do so, otherwise you can be in big trouble. Or what you can do, watch our previous videos to see how you can set up your virtual lab to just practice your cybersecurity skills. So you can just type Nikto H and then http colon, okay, and the domain name, so that to that for this is the domain name actually. As you can see here, if I were to go back, if I hit enter, I refresh the page, you see that this is automatically just bring me to that website. There we go. See, okay, so this is what we're gonna scan right here. Let's just go back to our terminal and then I can just hit enter. So this may take a while. I'm going to pause the video and be back once the scan is complete. So yeah, the scan was so long, I just hit Control C, to stop it. Yeah, as you can see here, we just had some information about what port was scanned. So port 80 HTTP, as you can see here, this is not encrypted, this is HTTP. So yeah, we have a lot of information about CWE, which is a common weakness enumeration. Right here, a lot of information that you can just go ahead and just deep dive. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward, and what I love about Nikto is the fact that for some vulnerabilities they just actually give you the CVE where you can click and go there. The CVE stands for the common vulnerability exposure, where you can see this is where you can see like software that has been outdated, and they give every CVE a number so people can just keep track of it. All right, so again, if you have any questions, make sure that you just put them in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, if it is useful for you, so many other people can just watch it as well. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Until next time, happy learning.